still on garage, man. We back in like Flynn, baby. In the garage today, man, on a Saturday. Got my boy Bama in the pit, you know, in the place in the garage. Y'all need to follow him, NBA TV. You know what I'm saying? NBA TV. You know,
y'all gotta go follow, bro.
You know, we all a part of the. You know, we already we fly. You know, this flight racing. You know, this my other guy, man. You understand me? You know, this. You know, flight racing his squad, but you know, we all a family. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a part of that. You feel me?
It's one of the biggest keys, man. Don't listen to that, man. He one of the biggest keys. Don't listen to that. He one of the smoothest. If I don't get you there, watch him on the side.
For real. Man, you know, this my guy, man. Nah, we just in here on a Saturday, man, trying to figure out what's wrong with this purple thing. You know, I still ain't figured out a name for this mug, man. Y'all gonna have to help me come up with a name as soon as this mug can prove itself to be something worthy, you hear me? Cause it's been giving me hell, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm still trying to figure out what's up with these right turns. And if y'all done seen the videos already, y'all know I'm having a terrible problem with these damn right turns. Like some reason when I take it, and since I probably last talked to y'all, and I got a few videos just gonna go in here, I probably ain't really I haven't really put them together. So I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna line up, you know what I'm saying, to start dropping these little old episodes or whatever. But I've changed out the injectors. That's a different fuel rail. Changed out the map sensor, changed out the throttle position, and changed out the idle air control valve. Now those things I could put on video. I'll probably show y'all how I clean my injectors out. But for the most part, it's a lot of people already with videos on that, so you can pretty much look up and figure out how to change, you know, your throttle position sensor, your idle air control valve, you know, and take your injectors and your fuel rail off or whatnot. I searched my fuel line. I ain't find no pinches. I seen somebody commented and gave me some input on that. I did check those. I ain't see no pinches. I got a video, which y'all will probably see. I found the O2 sensor connection, the one that I thought I didn't have. So I got that now. I checked all the wiring. If y'all, I opened the garage a little bit to show y'all the wiring. I checked the wiring because the wiring is a nightmare right now. It's a nightmare up under that dashboard. So, but that's not my problem. I fixed some stuff that was wrong with the alarm. I did I actually, you know. Oh, the dash problem with the gauge, the cluster, how the speedometer was going off when I cut the headlights on, fixed that. I got the video coming with the headlight fix. You know, we really just catching up. You know, this probably like, I don't know if this be my intro, outro, whatever part, but you know, right now we just trying to see what's going on. We're really chopping up game, to be honest with y'all.
Yeah.
You know,
gotta get deep in it, man.
Everybody know Whip Fest is coming. And we are trying, man.
I ain't saying
We
nothing,
trying, man. We
Been
trying.
5 years.
Hey, if y'all don't know about that badass cousin my boy got, man, Carly Red, man. You know,
5 years. He got a
bad bitch named Carly Red. You know what I'm saying?
She gonna have to prove herself.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop a picture in so y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? Carly Red. I'm gonna drop a picture in her.
A recent picture right now.
Yeah, man.
You know it give me motivation.
You know.
It give me motivation to finish, man. Cause we supposed to been had these things finished. We could have been had them done.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
nah, for real.
I want y'all to see how it is, cause I'm tired of looking at her like she been busy. It's time for her to get out and show herself to her full potential.
Nah, for real.
Right.
Ooh, if y'all don't know, it is cold in Texas right now, Jack. I mean cold. What we gonna do though? We finna put some petrol in the beat. Finna put some petrol on this thing, man. Good old 91.
Man, it's
They
cold,
be
y'all.
drinking. Ooh, it's thirsty. And it's cold. You know, mug outside. I don't know why I don't have on a hoodie. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I promise I'm tripping.
These niggas is haters. These bitches be gossiping. And the one that they say they love you, sometimes they be plotting on you to get at your paper. First you done separated, now you done elevated instead of been motivated. These niggas they haters. These bitches be gossiping. And the ones that they say they love you, sometimes they be plotting on you to get at your paper.
Almost thought I lost the kill.
The other one ain't that old, but he a chef or whatever, so white man that opened his restaurant, he called, so they run the hotel and work for him, be his chef.
Look, you know, got the dash toe, you know. I got to step around.
It's where you were working on. You had to do work on it, so you had to.
You know, and them pieces, hold on. Yeah, you know, these pieces delicate.
Oh, you hear me? Them bitches will crack quick.
If you know, you know. What they say, if you know, you motherfucking know. Them pieces, they're little kid. I gotta move shit to the side so I can function in this thing, you feel me? Man, my door handle gone, y'all. I caught myself trying to pull on that thing one day, man, cause the door wasn't open how it was supposed to. And now, gotta have to have somebody pull me out this motherfucker, man. I be going out the passenger side, the back door with sometimes. I wanna see it start up. Hold up. Pull it down that more a little bit, yeah, man. We start straight up, though. You feel me? She start straight up. You understand me? Yeah. This is about my first time riding.
Riding the purple thing, you know what I'm saying? I ain't rolling baby since the LS been in, but you know, I had a little feel of the big block, but I ain't have a feel when they got it.
My brakes need to be bled too, y'all, so y'all don't trip, man. Ooh, sound pretty nice out there, though. Sound pretty nice out there.
Deep over detail.
It sound pretty nice out there. That idle sound, it's not idle, I'm in girl, but it sounds good. Don't sound bad. If you know what I mean, don't sound bad. Hey, look what I did too, y'all. YouTube. I fixed my gear shifter. I fixed my gear shifter. So, boom. When I go in neutral, I'm in neutral. If I go in drive, you see that thing say drive now, baby.
Okay.
We on point.
He got the switch and everything.
Yeah, man, we can take off and ride for sure. What hell? Yeah. We can take off and ride for sure though. Don't trip. Don't trip. Shawty gonna ride for sure. You feel me?
Oh yeah, she getting up.
Shorty gonna ride. Man. Let's do this right turn, man, so y'all can see what. You see, I can do left, baby. We can kick dust. You feel me? We kick dust. We kick dust. Now right turn, baby.
Up, right. Oh,
Boom, boom.
Okay.
You feel that? Brr, 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 brr. I don't know. Like, hey, with that, I'm not sure if that would be like. Listen. See, now if I hold the gas in my turn, it kind of do better, don't it?
Yeah.
But look, I ain't hold no gas now.
Yeah, you try to go back in the gas.
When I try to go back in the gas out the turn, you feel me?
Yeah.
Now look, it's gonna act like that
until it eventually smooth to the straight.
Until it smooth out, nigga. Or I listen. Until I bust this left. Bro, shit crazy. Now watch, I'm finna bust this left. See, now it might be goddamn me. I don't know. Up, it's waking back up.
Yeah, there, what the hell?
Man. Do you have anything? Do you have exactly?
Yeah, hey, drop into the comment section.
Man,
This
please
is the
drop into the comment section.
I'm pretty sure a lot of it.
See, I can goddamn, you feel me? Left turn, nigga, is gravy. Left turns. Right turn, bro. For some reason. Right turn. Nigga, how does that even make sense? That don't make sense.
Like I said, now I'm even going to the gas tank. Cause out of every other thing we didn't look at and check.
See, it's finna straighten up, don't it?
Yeah.
You feel me? I don't know. I heard something about the baffle being in the tank. And that being the thing too. You know, the baffle, but I'm not familiar with that as far as the baffle goes.
What the baffle control, like the steam, the flow of the gas?
From my understanding, the person told me it's supposed to keep fuel in one area, whatever, of the tank and shit, and some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But it's not doing that, obviously. Now I'm starting to wonder if this, I might have to change this tune as far as my transmission goes, because I'm not sure what, how many gears is actually in that beam, actually in that tune. So that's something I gotta change too.
Oh, okay. You get what you're saying. They might not have all the gears too. But you might not know what the tune. Oh, tripod.
Yeah, man, I don't know what
First
that
day
could
with
be,
things.
man. I don't know what that could be, man. Y'all need to jump in the comment section. We're going back into the G-Rods, man. But y'all need to jump into that comment section, man, and give a nigga some pointers, P. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't pushing P. Y'all pushing P, man. If y'all pushing P, man, jump in the comment section and help a P, man. Nah, but seriously though, man, I don't know what's going on with that, y'all.
These niggas is haters. These bitches be gossiping.